37 years ago today, my baby boy, they called him Bubba, was born. And I was on the river, this river, actual river. Didn't have a clue that he was here until the next morning. Yeah, because I was with a group of about 30 people, you know, and so everybody pranks each other. So they said, yeah, your baby's here. I said, yeah, right. But it turned out to be true, so then I had to haul it home. We had a black Camaro with T-tops. It was really decked out good, so yeah, I could get going quick.
And when this kid was born, it's pretty uneventful, right? How many years has it been since you've been on a canoe trip?
I think I went last year, but we went in like a raft, so it wasn't really a
So
real
not a canoe trip at all.
experience.
I don't know if I've done one like this, but if it has, it's been 15 years.
25, or at least since 1992.
You guys are not going to be drinking any beer at all. All right, Darren, it's going to be brothers in this canoe. What do you think about that?
I don't know. Can I be in the back?
No.
All right, we're cruising now. Straight ahead. Get a beer.
You guys, what just happened?
These
We
two
were
had a
going
nice.
down the river, and
You had an accident and your canoe
knocked us
filled with
clean
water?
off.
Oh man.
Tell me how the float trip went.
It was eventful. Quite a few spills.
How many spills?
I'd say like 5 for us and 1 for you guys.
Did you lose anything?
Mines.
We lost some stuff. I think you guys are the ones that lost the paddles though. So you guys are always in front to rescue our falls.
Now, be honest here. When we flipped our canoe, and you bailed out and flipped the canoe with me in it,
Yeah.
was that on purpose?
Payback's a bitch.
I said happy birthday.
I was gonna
brother.
get decapitated, man. I had to get off.